Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying algebraic fractions. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebraic fractions. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. And now let's have a look at the lesson. Simplify each of the following algebraic fractions. So we have this algebraic fraction and this one, and they're multiplied together. Now the secret here is to factorise each of those terms. M squared minus 1 is M squared minus 1 squared, which is the difference of two squares. That's how we factorise that. We've seen this in a previous video. So if you're not sure, just go back a few lessons in the same playlist, in the Year 10 playlist, and you will see a lesson on how to factorise that. Over here we have a trinomial, and that's the factorisation, and it's a similar thing. Go back a few lessons and it'll show you how to factorise that trinomial with that answer. This trinomial here factorises that way, and here we have the factorisation here. So we have factored each of those expressions, and the expressions are still multiplied together. I've transposed all this down here so we can just do the cancelling. So we cancel m plus 1 with m plus 1, m plus 3 with m plus 3, and m minus 1 with m minus 1, and we're left with m plus 2 over m minus 1. So all this simplification has given us this answer, which has exactly the same value as we have here. For example 2, we have that algebraic fraction multiplied by this one, and I have factorised w squared minus 16 here. This trinomial, I've factorised it there. W squared minus 3 squared is factorised here, and that trinomial is factorised there. So I've transposed all this down to here, so we can do the cancelling. W plus 4 cancels with W plus 4. W plus 3 cancels with W plus 3. And W minus 4 cancels with W minus 4. And that leaves us with W minus 3 over W plus 3. Now remember, with cancelling, you can cancel anything from the top with anything from the bottom. So the numerator and the denominator, one must be from the numerator, one must be from the denominator. Now it can either be, both of them can either be in the same algebraic fraction, or you can go across. For example, the W plus 3 can cancel with the W plus 3. We're allowed to do that. Even though this W plus 3 and that W plus 3 are in different algebraic fractions, you can still cancel them together. After we do that, we have W minus 3 over W plus 2. So we've seen how to simplify algebraic fractions that are multiplied together. And the secret is, or there's no secret, but the process is, you have to factorise first and then you cancel. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music, and we've done this by introducing a rap song about algebraic fractions.